Hi, Josephine. I was just updating my progress report for the British Council, and I noticed you didn't work last week in this module, but honestly, you have been way, way, way behind in this course. You've only attended two live sessions and done hardly any work in the course. I've sent mails, I sent you progress report, and so I thought maybe a video might help. Okay, so let me show you what I see. Okay, so we are currently in this module. Okay, so that means that you should have completed all of these units. Okay, but you have not been working. So please let me know what I can do to help. Okay, let Jeremy know let he and I know what we can do to help. Okay, you are really, really, really behind in the course, and we are coming close. So we're in this particular module this week. Okay, and so by December, by the time we finish for Christmas break, you really need to be caught up. Okay, so just let me know what I can do to help. It's just we can't keep going like this. Okay, thank you.